Hi there, it's Simon here. How are you? Today I thought we would have a look at I Don't Want to Talk About It by Rod Stewart. I recently did this in a lesson. So, hey Claudio, how are you going? This is for you. I will see the rest of you guys in a second. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to play with a capo on the 3rd fret. Now, I'll attach the version of this song that we're kind of going for, shooting at. This really is an arrangement, so I'm not trying to play exactly like the record here. I know usually I do, but in this case I'm not. But we're going to be able to do a whole bunch of really fun things in here, which will make it sound cool. So, let's check it out. We've got a G. We've got an A minor, that's the first chord. Now what I was doing there at the beginning with the picking, I actually am using a pick. You could use your fingers. That kind of thing, right? So I'm going 5, 3, 4, 2. Yeah, so D major, G major. Right? We could play that. The other way we could do that, which is a bit more of a sort of, like I said, unusual way of playing these chords. We've got A minor, C major shape, but we're going to slide it up to D. And then a G major. We can play G6. So A minor, and then a G. Okay? You could play like that, or we can leave those chords for the chorus when we get there. So that verse basically A minor, D, G, G. 2 lots, that's a verse. G. Now, something you could do here is you could play sus4, put your first finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Now, that's something you could do. Another thing you could do is actually kind of catch some of the melody. Right? A, oh it's not an A, but 2nd fret on the G string. Because of the capo, right? So we've got A minor. Something like that. It's pretty nice, right? Okay. So something like that in the first time around, and the second time around those chords, we can actually catch this into the chorus, right? So you could play A minor, G. Right? I just played 1, open, 2, open, 3 on the D string, and then we're going to play C major. I don't want to. D. Then G. D with an F sharp bass. E minor. So that's sort of regular chords, right? We could play C, slide that up. Pinky on the top, it's nice. Leave that there, go to play G, so it's like a G add 9. And then we can put your 2nd finger on, kind of like a D with an F sharp bass, with some extra notes in there, a G and an E. Right, so it's really like a kind of add 11 kind of situation. And then an E minor. Put your 1st finger back in, there's an E minor. Right, so we've got C, up we go, G, okay, C, do, do, do. That bit, little bit longer, into the... Okay, stuff like that is really, really great when you've got really songs that are really well written and in this kind of position. Okay. Chorus, this is, and then back up to D. And then back into A minor. D, sorry. Get excited here. G. Okay. Now, so that is most of the song. That's where all the singing happens. But of course, at the end of this particular version, it does have a key change where it goes up a semitone. So that interlude, there's strings, da 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 da, then follows the tune exactly, and then it goes A minor again, D, G, and then D with an F sharp bass, E minor, and then it hits an A flat, right? And then the strings take it out. So slide up here, E shape, A shape bar chord there, then back. So those chords, now I've got them written down as B flat, E flat, A flat, A flat, but I appreciate it versus the capo. When the bar chords turn up, it does get a bit tricky. So basically in the 6th fret away from the capo or the 9th fret, A shape bar chord, kind of thing, and then it just sort of fades out on the D flat. I'm calling this D flat versus the capo. Yeah, and it finishes there. And that is how you play I Don't Want to Talk About by Rod Stewart. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. If you'd like my chart or little notes that I put together to accompany this lesson, you can find them at patreon.com/Simon Morel, where I will attach this to the lesson. It's also ad free over there. Do go and check that out. I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Do check another video out whilst you're here on the channel, and all the best. Bye for now.